Hi guys, we want to show you some test fit for the Shin guards. The Shin guards consist of few parts printed separately and assembled. As, the guard itself, the front rib, the knee, the real thing cover, buckles, and the back strap, rubber strap. If you want to put it on your shoe, on your boot, we have some locks inside, so you can clip it on and it will hold. And these buckles will be finally built with magnets. They will hold okay. So let's try. Put it on. Sorry for the white socks. It's hot outside. So basically, it's gonna be like this. With your boots, definitely will look better. But our boots are only flying to us, so we're testing without them. Cool.